capital letters, the overriding message should be about tougher enforcement and, in capital letters, bigger fines. Putting aside the crushing irony prospectively of this observation, to what extent, Dame Priti, did you directly debate with the Prime Minister the putting into practice of such a course?
So we absolutely had discussions. I wasn't involved in this particular discussion and meeting around enforcement and fines. The fine spectrum altered throughout the pandemic. Again, I would not direct the police, but I would, through the policing calls that we had, restate and reiterate the need to ensure that the law is being upheld, enforced. It's not a case about, go out there and get bigger fines or things of that nature, but again, upholding the law in the right way. And our police officers who are on the ground, they're the ones to judge effectively the steps that need to be taken in certain cases.
But the system from the 15th of August, in fact, provided for a new flat fine of £10,000. It was a flat fine introduced around this time and, of course, reflective of the direction, if we may call it, the direction from Downing Street. Did you, on behalf of the Home Office, believe, and this isn't an operational question, the police may or may not investigate and prosecute and impose the fine or have the courts impose the fine, but did you think that a new flat fine of £10,000 was proportionate?
It was very high. It was just...
Was it proportionate in light of the civil libertarian issues, the public health context, and the fact that these fines were being produced and imposed for breaches of social movements?
The answer is no.
Did the Home Office push back and say, our view is this £10,000 flat fine is disproportionate? You just can't do this.
And it was the Home Office in that collective sense. So myself, my officials, again, talking to policing colleagues at the time.